The Hürkuş turboprop trainer aircraft is a symbol of the rise of the Turkish aerospace industry. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, this aircraft was designed to meet the needs of modern military pilot training to international standards. However, behind its advanced performance and design lies a long and complex process within the assembly line that incorporates high-technology. Fuselage assembly is one of the most crucial stages in aircraft production. This process serves as the main foundation for determining strength, stability, and safety during flight. Carried out by Turkish Aerospace Industries, each stage of fuselage assembly is carried out to the stringent international aerospace industry standards. After the fuselage is complete, the next stage is wing assembly. The wing is not just an additional structure, but a vital element that determines flight performance. This process involves the integration of the fuel system, flap control, and aileron. Every joint is inspected using non-destructive testing methods to ensure there are no structural defects. One of the most crucial stages is the installation of the turboprop engine. This engine is the primary power source that propels the aircraft. The engineering team must ensure perfect balance, alignment, and system connections. Furthermore, supporting systems such as fuel lines, cooling systems, and electronic controls are also integrated. The Hürkuş is designed as a modern training aircraft, so its cockpit is equipped with advanced digital avionics. Multifunction displays, navigation systems, and flight controls are meticulously installed. This stage requires collaboration between mechanical and electronic engineers. Every cable, sensor, and module must be properly connected for optimal system function. After installation, thorough system testing is conducted using simulations. The fuselage is the main structure that houses the cockpit. Avionics, systems, fuel, and passengers or pilots. On the Hürkuş, the fuselage is designed using a combination of aerospace-grade aluminum and composite materials to create a strong yet lightweight structure. Everything begins with the computer-aided design phase using CAD computer-aided design and C computer-aided engineering technology. Engineers digitally design the aircraft structure, including aerodynamics, avionics, systems, and load distribution. During this phase, each component is virtually tested to ensure efficiency and safety before entering physical production. Once the final design is approved, the process proceeds to component fabrication. The materials used include aerospace, aluminum, lightweight composites, and special metal alloys that are resistant to high pressure and extreme temperature changes. The Hürkuş aircraft is designed to provide pilots with a realistic flight experience, including simulating light, combat conditions. The next stage is the assembly of the main structure. This is where the large components begin to be put together. This process takes place in a specialized facility with strict environmental controls to avoid contamination or assembly errors. Technicians use high-precision tools such as jigs and fixtures to ensure each part is accurately assembled. Even the slightest error can have a significant impact on the aircraft's performance, so the quality standards are extremely high. The Hürkuş aircraft is a pride of the Turkish aerospace industry. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, designed as a modern turboprop trainer, the Hürkuş not only serves as a pilot training aircraft but also boasts advanced operational capabilities, making it a leading aircraft in its class worldwide. The Hürkuş features an efficient aerodynamic design, enabling high flight stability. The fuselage structure is constructed using lightweight yet strong composite materials, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. This design also allows the aircraft to maneuver agilely, crucial for military pilot training. One of the Hürkuş's key advantages lies in its avionics system. The aircraft's cockpit utilizes glass cockpit technology, a fully digital instrument panel that allows pilots to easily read flight data in real time. This system is also equipped with a modern GPS-based navigation system and flight computer. This technology makes the training experience more realistic, resembling the latest generation of fighter jets. In addition to its role as a training aircraft, the Hürkuş also has a variant capable of light combat missions. This aircraft can carry weapons such as rockets, light bombs, and machine guns. This makes it flexible for various missions, such as the Hürkuş is equipped with high-level safety features, including ejection seats for the pilot and instructor. Furthermore, the aircraft has redundancy systems for critical components, ensuring continued operation even in the event of technical failures. The aircraft uses powerful and efficient turboprop engines. With its high power, the Hürkuş can reach high speeds while maintaining relatively low fuel consumption. This makes it ideal for long-term training and low-cost operations. Another advantage of the Hürkuş is its successful certification by international civil aviation authorities. This demonstrates that the aircraft meets global safety and quality standards. opening up export opportunities to various countries. More than just an aircraft. The Hürkuş is a symbol of Turkey's technological independence in the defense and aerospace industries. With its domestic development, Turk demonstrates its ability to compete in the global market. The Hürkuş's sophistication lies in its combination of modern technology, operational flexibility, and cost efficiency with its digital avionics, aerodynamic design, and multi-role capabilities. The aircraft is one of the best training platforms in its class and a testament to the rapid progress of the Turkish aviation industry.